How to make your phone a hotspot on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Personal Hotspot. Personal Hotspot allows you to share a cellular internet connection from your iPhone to other nearby devices. Over here, turn on the Allow Others to Join option as shown. This will allow others users or devices not signed into iCloud to look for your shared network when you are in Personal Hotspot settings or when you turn it on in Control Center. You can view the different ways to connect below, such as using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. You can also view or change your Wi-Fi password from here. Following these steps, you can easily make your phone a hotspot on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.